So quick question, what is it like being a part of the JWP group?
Yeah, what's it like?
I love you all.
I think it's pretty fantastic. We've got a great group. We have a lot of fun together. We work hard, we play hard. But we're here to support each other. And whenever anybody has a question, they know they can call each other and bounce things off each other. And, we got some of us have a lot more experience than others. But yeah, I've been doing this a long time, and as has Julie, and it's just great to have people to bounce things off of.
Yeah. Or if you go out of town, have somebody help you show a house, or can't figure out a contingency, you have somebody to ask for help.
Yeah.
You looked at a house and you're not sure what you think about it. It's nice to be able to say, did you see this house? Like, what did you think of it? Did I miss something? Is it, you have somebody to talk to about stuff.
Well, and I think, there's all of us who have done how many, what we sold over 100 properties last year. How many have you listed? We have seen every contingency and every way of doing language. So if we need to bounce ideas off of each other, you have all of us to kind of help you. And I almost wonder sometimes if that's why we get our clients to the table and get them closed, is because we have more resources and experience than just the individual agent that does their own business and doesn't do the volume that we do.
And they're trying to figure everything out on their own.
Absolutely. Yeah, I actually, when I talk to buyers for the first few times, that's a huge thing that I share, is that you not only have myself, but you have 4 other brilliant souls too that are working for them. So yeah, I think that, and just having my people, like, they've become my people. So yeah, like a little fam bam.
Well, I was just thinking, because we sold 100 homes last year, and how many homes were sold in Oneida Vilas County? Was it 600 for you?
I believe so.
600.
Yes.
So almost, well, at least waterfront. If half of those were waterfront, we sold a pretty large percentage of the homes. So if somebody is looking for understanding value, the team can help them understand value, because you guys have been in and seen so many. If you have ever thought about joining a team or wondered what it's like or what it looks like, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about becoming part of the JWP group.